Hello, I'm Ted Hunter from Roarockit, and I invented the thin air press 25 years ago, in fact. Over that period of time, we have been using butyl tape to close and open the bags, and it's always been a real pain to do that because when we peel the paper tape that's on the top of it and we seal it, we've always found it very difficult to separate the butyl tape from the vinyl bag on top. Sometimes it would separate on both sides and it always becomes messy. And we've been doing this for 25 years. So I'm going to open this up right now and you'll see that it's pretty difficult to do that, and it actually distorts the sealing tape a little bit and you have to snap it like that. So believe it or not, after 25 years, we've come up with a new method. What you want to start off with is a little bit of dish soap. Any type of liquid soap I think would work. What I normally do is I pour a tiny bit of it out, put it onto a piece of cardboard, and then very simply, all you do is you take your finger and you pat it like this, and not to have very much on it. And on only the sealing tape, you want to rub your finger back and forth, and you can actually feel it being slippery. And what I'm doing is I'm priming the sealing tape so that it's not as sticky on one side. You're going to leave it for about 10 or 15 seconds just to let the soap soak into the sealing tape. So now when we close it up, very simply, same thing as what we did before. And after 8 hours or however long, you take and look it opens up just like nothing. The great thing about this is that the sealing tape on the bottom is still sticky, so it always stays stuck to the bag, and the priming of the soap on the top just takes away a little bit of that stickiness. We recommend doing this when you purchase your bag or when you're replacing your sealing tape. Once you put a little bit of soap on it, you're good to go, and every time it's gonna open and close the way it's supposed to. I know it's taken us a long time to figure this out, and I feel a little bit stupid from that, but hey, it's what it is. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to either email us or give us a call at Roarockit. Thank you.